Hey everyone, Mike here with Tri-City Extreme. Today we're going to take a look at the new Planet Eclipse GTEK 180R. So 170R plus 10. Alright, so just going to do a quick unboxing. Same packaging that they've been doing, they switched over. The LV2, the CS3. Alright, so we have the case that they've been doing it in, the guns. And there you have it. It's the Atlantic color. Obviously you get the gun, you get the Allen keys, you get people making noise in the background. Alright, so the one main difference, which we actually have a CS3 right here. I mean, there's a lot of main differences, I should say. Is with the CS3 you get two of the inserts for the barrel system. Here you only get the one, which is a 689, and you can see they look a little bit different. You don't have the grip on the back compared to the CS3. And of course it's still a two-piece barrel. And of course you get your owner's manual, your parts kit, as well as a barrel bag. And reverse threaded as always. And there you have it. Just a little unboxing and a little comparison to, I should say, there you have it. You got a CS3 and you got the 180R. Both are very similar. Take out the bolt. So there's the bolt, which bolt is pretty much the same. A little bit of a difference. Same general bolt system. And then of course, oops, gotta hold it a little bit longer. You have the OLED screen. So you know exactly what you're shooting, what mode you're in, and everything like that. So there you have it. Just a quick video unboxing of the 180R. If you're looking for one of these, make sure you check out our website. The link to them will be in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. You know, they do have a certain smell to them.
Get my keys, stop. Like, that's not his knuckles.
Short intermission.
They're right there, Chris.
What do you mean they're right there? Yeah, Mike, fit your arm underneath that.
This is what I deal with. This is my life.
Alright, take 3.